We are all aware of how the pandemic has tested our care system and really brought us together to save lives across Wales. This has been on a level not seen in modern times.
More than ever before, staff across NHS Wales have shown what they are capable of in the face of incredible challenges.
We all agree that health and care staff across Wales have been heroic throughout, and all of us are very grateful for the tireless work that you have all done to give us and our families the very best healthcare when we need it.
While we are all in recovery from the pandemic, it is more important than ever that we all focus on the well-being of health and care staff across Wales.
At Improvement Cymru, our focus is to support you to provide patient safety in a way that works for your teams. We will work with you in a way that suits you.
The approach to improvement in our care system in Wales has changed, moving away from national improvement programmes of work to regional improvement support tailored to local need.
This is in response to valuable feedback from health and care staff from across Wales. You have told us you need an all-Wales improvement team, here to support you to understand, manage and overcome your improvement challenges.
A team to work in partnership with you and provide a service which is co-designed with you and tailored to your own needs.
At Improvement Cymru, we will keep up to date with the latest in improvement success stories in Wales and around the world. We'll bring these latest and proven ideas to you when it's relevant for you and support you to implement and then maintain new co-designed ways of working that will improve patient safety.
We are aware that you are under many different pressures, and we will introduce interventions at pace when needed.
For many, the pandemic has highlighted the need to relook at safety and harm reduction within a whole system of care for our population.
This new disease has caused avoidable harm and will continue to do so. Quality and safety need to be at the heart of our approach to recovery.
This is key in meeting the aspirations set out in A Healthier Wales for a quality-driven NHS in Wales.
Our vision for NHS Wales is that everyone has access to safe, effective and efficient care in the right place and at the right time across the whole care system.
To do this, we will work alongside organisations to create the conditions, build the capability and make the connections for improvement to flourish.
And we will develop, coach and guide teams to provide safer care for the people of Wales.
To achieve our aim, we have 3 strategic priorities.
Support health and care organisations to redesign and continuously improve the service they provide.
Support a focus on reduction in avoidable harm and safety within systems of care.
Sustainably build improvement capability within the health and care system.
Safe Care Together enables organisations to improve the quality and safety of care across their systems.
Organisations will have the opportunity to work together with Improvement Cymru to make improvements in their patient safety priorities.
And in the various elements of patient pathways that impact on and are impacted by safety and the challenges of the pandemic.
Together, we can achieve improved outcomes in key system-wide safety areas by focusing on the fundamental aspects that need to be in place to support safe care delivery.
As part of the programme, we are launching a Wales-wide safety collaborative that is nationally coordinated and regionally delivered. Please continue to talk with us, to give us your feedback and tell us what works for you. We are here to support you, and we never want to stop learning how we can best work for you.
We look forward to supporting you in providing safe, effective and efficient care in the right place and at the right time.